Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to be going over indeterminate forms and how to solve them using L'Hopital's rule. So when evaluating a limit, you may sometimes get an expression like, say we're given what is the limit of f of x over g of x as x approaches a, and our answer is 0 over 0, or even infinity over infinity. Now 0 over 0 and infinity over infinity are called indeterminate forms because the limit can't be directly found just by substitution. Other common indeterminate forms could be 0 times infinity or infinity minus infinity. Now that we know this, what is L'Hopital's rule? So L'Hopital's rule states that you have to get the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator and then substitute in, instead of directly substituting in. So let's say you're given the limit of f of x over g of x as x approaches a. L'Hopital's rule states that this should be equal to the limit of f prime of x over the limit of g prime of x as x approaches a, so long as the limit on the right exists. In other words, take the derivative of the top and the bottom separately, then reevaluate the limit. Let's go over an example. So let's say we have the limit of cos of x over 1. Actually, no, let's say we have the limit of sine x over x as x approaches 0. If we substitute 0 in, we'll get 0 over 0, or an indeterminate form, which we don't want. So instead, we're going to find the derivative. And that's going to give us the limit of cos x over 1 as x approaches 0. Now from here, we can sub in. So this is going to be equal to cos of 0, which is going to be equal to 1. So the limit for this expression is 1. Let's try another basic example. Let's say that we have the limit of ln x over x as x approaches 0. For this here, we once again want to find the derivative of the top and the bottom, since if we plug straight in, we'll get infinity over infinity, which is an indeterminate form. So when we find the derivative, we'll get the limit as x approaches infinity is 1 over x over 1, which is equal to the limit as x approaches infinity of 1 over x, which is equal to 0. So the limit for this expression is 0. So a few important notes to remember: only use L'Hopital's rule for 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. Take derivatives of the numerator and the denominator separately. And for other forms like 0 times infinity or 1 to the power of infinity, try algebraic manipulation first, then use L'Hopital if needed. I hope this video helped. Thank you.